Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to do a quick video about three of our most popular models. And we're in the US, where we like SUVs. So, Sportage, Sorento, Telluride. Sorento, fabulous looking car. If you need a third row, but you don't want to stick adults back there, you can't go wrong. Telluride, if you need a third row and you want to fit bigger people back there, I can sit back there and my head doesn't hit the ceiling, my knees don't hit the seat. So you have a much more usable third row for extended trips and a little bit more space behind it. If you don't need a third row, Sportage behind me, fabulous vehicle, and versus the Sorento at a given level of equipment, you can generally save somewhere in the realm of about $5,000 to $8,000 trim to trim. So if you don't need the third row, it's only a few inches shorter, and it still looks fantastic, rides great, and is slightly more efficient. You can't go wrong with any of these. Now, when you're looking for a car, there's so many options out there, and it can be a little bit difficult to navigate. If there's any help you need, if you have any questions figuring out which one is the right fit for you, shoot us a call or stop by today.